In front of me is INFINIX Hot 50, and today I would like to show you how you can clone apps. First of all, go into Settings and scroll to click on this section called Special Function. Now you need to scroll again, this time to tap on Xclone, and tap on gray switcher next to any app you wanna clone. You can also click on Try More Apps and clone any of those listed here. Wherever you decided, when you're ready, click on the switcher and wait. So when I go back and check it out, I can see that my app was successfully cloned. To delete this clone, you can always go back to the same section in Settings and now click on green switcher. Then confirm your choice in the pop-up by tapping Close. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!